Do you want to know how you can change your password in DeepL Translator? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your password of your account in DeepL. Go ahead and open deepl.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now, to change the password, go ahead and click on your profile, which is on the top right hand corner of your screen, and go to Account. If you scroll down, you can see the password option. Go ahead and click Change to change your password. Write down your current password of this account. And what you need to do is write down the new password which you desire to keep and repeat the new password once again. Make sure both of these passwords match, and after that click change your password. You can see that now your password has been changed. You can update the Google passwords to save your passwords also. This was a video on how you can change your passwords in DeepL. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.